Alright, so in this project we made it so it would do a Simon Says game. As you can see on the screen, it's you press the green button to solo, and that's based on the LEDs. So I'll just show you player 1 first. So it starts off with just 1 and then increases as you get it right. And then it gets faster and faster as you keep getting them right. Then as soon as you mess up, it'll just say wrong and it'll reset. And then for the 2-player mode, you either hit the red or the blue button. And with the red button you do 5, and then with the blue button you do 10. So you just hit that. And then on this screen it'll do waiting, so it'll wait for the input. And then on the other one it says you have to input 5. So I'll just do like a random sequence. And then it'll show up on here. Okay, I got it correct. And then it works on this one as well. And if I mess up, it'll say wrong and then reset. And then for the 10-player mode, it'll just input 10. And that's the only difference. Alright, that's it. Alright, so one problem I was having was that I had like the nubs on this Arduino and push buttons, and they would double click, so it would mess up, but just removing them fixed that. So like the game works now. Just do a random sequence. Repeat it. Yep. Yeah, so everything's working fine. Another annoying part was that when assembling my board, I did it pretty simply and just tried to make it as simple as possible and just like go through it. But like a mistake I did make was like connecting the board parts. Like over here I connected it with 2 wires, the ground and the positive. And I did it over here too for this side. So when we were making this board, the problem was that we kept forgetting to connect the middles, so the push buttons weren't working properly, and we didn't know why for like a solid 20 minutes. And then we realized that we didn't connect the grounds from like here to there, or from here to there, and so that was kind of annoying. And another problem I had was when putting on the LEDs, I wanted them to be right on top, but it was interfering with the push button, since like you can see here that I put them there, it would be on this pin, so it would mess with it, so I had to put it to the left. And then also like messed around with the configuration of like the push buttons, so it would be easier to access, because originally I wanted to put the wires from like here to over here, but then it would cover up the push button. That would be like really annoying, so I rerouted it, the positive and ground, to over to this side so I could put it over here. And I think I did pretty well on it overall. I tried making it simple, and then mine looks kind of messy, but like this one seems a lot cleaner, which was made later. Another thing that I did was I adjusted the screen so it would update a lot. So if I like mess with the brightness, you can kind of see that it's updating. You can't really tell anymore. But before it used to flash a lot, so I got rid of that by making a like small delay, or a decent delay, because if it was too small it would just keep blinking and then it wouldn't look nice. And then I also wanted to make more modes and stuff, but the Arduino ran out of digital pins to add more push buttons. So I'd have to get rid of the LCD display to have more push buttons, which is kind of a bummer, but at the same time, it's like I really got what I wanted to do from this project, so yeah. And when I was a kid, I used to play a lot with the Simon Says game, which is just like Player One. I found it really fun, just like getting it up there. And I'm really glad that I did this project. And if there's anything I could do differently, it would be maybe like making it more difficult or having a mode that increases, like instead of doing a set 5 or like set 10, make it increase. And overall, I'm really excited that I did this project, and hope you guys like it. And this was made by Usman, Siddiqui, and Joshua Horton. Thank you for watching.